You wake up on the day your Social Security or SSI money is supposed to arrive. You check your bank account or your Direct Express app, and the balance is zero. Your money isn't there. Stop right there, take a deep breath, and do not panic. Your money has not been permanently lost, and we will help you track it down. Right now, the Social Security Administration is rolling out massive logistical changes. By the end of this year, physical paper checks are being completely phased out and transitioned to electronic payments. On top of that, the U.S. Treasury Department is actively replacing Comerica Bank with Fifth Third Bank as the manager for the Direct Express debit card program. Millions of accounts are currently in transit. Because of these shifts, the risk of administrative hiccups or delayed payments is higher than normal. If your money didn't show up today, here is the exact three-step emergency action plan to find your money, verify the delay, and initiate a replacement. Taking immediate systematic action ensures your funds are secured during this massive government transition. Step 1. Do not call the Social Security Administration right away. Check your bank first to rule out a posting delay. Often, the government successfully transmitted the funds on time, but they get bottlenecked in your bank's internal computer queues. The money is there, but hasn't cleared your available balance yet. So, grab your bank debit card or your Direct Express card, flip it over, and dial the customer service number on the back. When connected to a representative, ask this exact question. Do you see a pending deposit from the U.S. Treasury or Social Security Administration? If pending, simply wait for it to clear later that afternoon or the next morning. If the bank shows no record of an incoming deposit, you must immediately escalate to step 2. Ruling out a bank glitch first saves you from wasting hours on hold with federal agencies. Since your bank has confirmed there are no pending deposits, step 2 is to report the missing funds directly to the federal government. Grab a pen and dial the official Social Security Administration hotline at 1-800-772-1213. If you are hearing impaired, use the TTY number, 1-800-325-0778. Before you call, have your Social Security number ready. Once connected, explain that your scheduled payment did not arrive, and state clearly you have already verified with your bank that there are no pending deposits. The agent will take your information and formally review your case to verify that your payment was not dispersed or was lost in transit. Here is the good news. Once they verify the missing status, the federal government will explicitly authorize and issue a replacement payment. This official replacement protocol is in place specifically so that an administrative software glitch never results in a citizen permanently losing their authorized benefits. Step 3. Now that your replacement is processing, you need to proactively secure your online profile so this disruption doesn't happen again next month. Open a web browser and log in to your official My Social Security digital portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu and click on the My Profile or Update Contact Info tab to view your current data. Because millions of new Fifth Third Bank replacement cards are actively being mailed out right now, having an outdated physical address on file means your new debit card and your money will be sent to a stranger's house. Look closely at the screen and visually verify that your mailing address, your phone number, and your email match your current residence. Maintaining strict, proactive account hygiene is the single most effective way to insulate yourself from the massive disruptions caused by this year's banking transition. Let's review. You checked your bank, you filed the missing payment report with the SSA, and your profile is locked down for future mailings. But you need to be aware of a critical vulnerability period while you wait for your replacement checks or new Direct Express cards to arrive. Scammers are working overtime right now. Federal agents will never call you out of the blue, threaten you with arrest, or demand a processing fee to release your new banking cards. If someone calls you claiming to be from the government and asks for payment to fix your benefits, hang up immediately. Drop a comment below if you have experienced a posting delay with your bank this year, and make sure to hit the subscribe button for more step-by-step updates on these banking transitions. By staying informed and following these official verification steps, you ensure your funds are protected and your benefits keep working for you.